How to get a general contractor's license in Texas. In Texas, there's no single statewide general contractor's license, but you still need to meet local and trade-specific requirements before starting work. First, register your business with the Texas Secretary of State or your county clerk, depending on your business type. This legally establishes your construction company. Next, check local licensing rules, since every city has its own process. For example, Austin requires contractors to register through the Build Plus Connect portal. Dallas asks for yearly registration and proof of insurance. Houston issues building permits through its permitting center. San Antonio requires registration with development services. If you plan to handle electrical, plumbing, or HVAC work, get a trade license from the Texas Department of Licensing and Regulation, TDLR. Also secure general liability insurance. And if you hire workers, workers' compensation is strongly advised. Finally, get all required building permits and follow local codes for every project. That's how you operate legally as a general contractor in Texas, even without a statewide license.